Hi everyone, and welcome to .tech's channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Google Pixel 7a, which is mid-range smartphone from Google. The Pixel 7a is looking to be a very impressive phone for the price. The Pixel 7a has a very similar design to the Pixel 6a, with a plastic back and a glass front. The phone is available in 4 colors: charcoal, snow, sea, and coral. The Pixel 7a has a 6.1-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The display is also HDR compatible and has a 90 Hz refresh rate. Camera. The Pixel 7a has a dual-lens rear camera system with a 64MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide sensor. The phone also has a 13MP front-facing camera. The Pixel 7a's camera is one of its strongest features, and it's capable of taking some really great photos and videos. Performance. The Pixel 7a is powered by the Google Tensor G2 processor, which is a 5nm octa-core chip. The phone also has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The Pixel 7a is a very capable phone, and it can handle most tasks with ease. Battery life. The Pixel 7a has a 4385 mAh battery, which is pretty large for a mid-range phone. The phone also supports 18W wired charging and 5W wireless charging. The Pixel 7a's battery life is very good, and it can easily last through a full day of use. Software. The Pixel 7a runs Android 13, which is the latest version of Google's mobile operating system. Android 13 is a very polished and feature-rich operating system, and it's one of the best reasons to buy a Pixel phone. Conclusion. The Google Pixel 7a is an excellent mid-range smartphone. It has a great design, a good camera, a powerful processor, and a long battery life. If you're looking for a great phone for under $500, the Pixel 7a is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.